In this particular question, we've been given that f prime of x is equal to 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. And we're told that the function f of x passes through the point 1, 3. And we're asked to find the equation of the tangent line at x equals 5. Well, we have f prime of x. So if we substitute in our x value of 5 into that derivative, I end up with 66, which would represent the slope of the tangent line at x equals 5. Well, the question is asking me for the equation of the tangent line at x equals 5. The slope is an important part of that, but I also need the y-intercept. I don't have enough information to find the y-intercept because what I normally need is a point on our function f of x. I do know that I have the point, the x-coordinate of that point, which is 5, but I don't have its corresponding y-coordinate. So what I need to do is find the original function f of x. With that original function, I can substitute in x equals 5 such that I can find its corresponding y and then complete the question. So to find f of x, I have to use antiderivatives. When I take the antiderivative, I end up with f of x equaling x cubed minus x squared plus x plus c, our constant, which we have to find. Well, we do know that this particular function passes through the point 1, 3. So I can substitute in an x value of 1 and a y value, or f of x value of 3, such that I can solve for c. And when I do so, I find that c is equal to 2. So now I have my complete function. F of x is equal to x cubed minus x squared plus x plus 2. Now I can substitute 5 in for x and find the corresponding value of y, or f of x, and I find it to be 107. So far for the equation of the tangent line, I have y equals 66x plus b. I need to find the b, or y-intercept. I know that this tangent line strikes the curve at 5, 107. So I substitute 5 in for x and 107 in for y, and by doing so I can find my y-intercept for my tangent line, and I find it to be negative 223. Therefore, the equation of my tangent line at x equals 5 to this particular curve is y equals 66x subtract 223.